Hey guys, welcome back to day 11 of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that's possible. Today I ended up taking a trade. Um, Even though we had some news today, I didn't see it move the market that much, so uh, I found a decent setup and I entered off of it. So you can see here, I got this new economic calendar. It's pretty nice. I think I put a link in my description if you want to check it out. Um, I'm just trying it out, see how I like it right now, but so far I like it. So we can see this news here, 9:45, and then end at 10. I think my trade was at like 10:07, something like that. I'll show you here in a minute, but you can see on the 4 hour we're bullish. Same with the daily, we're bullish. Actually, we're at all-time highs. So that was something different for today, and we're bullish on the 1 hour. And same thing for the S&P. I believe we are, yeah, we're at all-time highs, I'm pretty sure. We're bullish on the daily, bullish on the 4 hour, and bullish on the hourly. So on NASDAQ, I marked out. So since we were at all-time highs, there was no highs to be swept to come back down. So that would have been, so this, I mean, I guess this is where price could reverse and not stick with your bias at all-time highs, which is why trading at all-time highs is kind of hard sometimes. But we were bullish, so that's what my bias was. So I marked out the lows, 4 hour lows here, hourly lows here and here. Same thing on the S&P. You can see here. Then I'll mark market open right here, 9:15 or 9:30, right there, and right there. You can see um, we get this. We have this low here. We immediately sweep it on market open. Um, so I'm in the 5 minute. I look for this retrace. We see another candle down. Then we get a couple up bullish candles. Then we finally get the retrace. It closes at 10. So get that at 10. That news comes out. Um, and then this was saying since it was above 50, um, if it's higher than forecasted, it's generally bullish. It was actually lower than forecasted, but this one was bullish because it was above 50. And according to my daily bias, I was bullish, so I was still bullish for the day. You can see that retrace here though, and then moving into the 1 minute at 10, right here. Oops, right here we get this retrace here. Then we have a fair value gap here. We have one here, and you can see right here. We'll mark this out. We get a test into that, and then we get a break of structure on this candle close. So it tapped in there real quick and then bounced out and broke structure. I entered off of that. As you can see there, I got this new thing here. I entered there just on that candle start after that candle closed. And I set my take profits to um, the most recent highs, which were right here. Just because we were at all-time highs, it's kind of hard to trade. Like, where do you set your take profits? I guess I could have set one at just like a 1-to-1 risk reward. Um, but my risk to reward today was not the best, but I ended up winning, so it's not that big of a deal, I guess. They can see here, um, my take profit was at this high, 15-minute highs there. Price hits there, um, but then comes back down, and my stop loss was actually here. So it was a pretty bad risk to reward, a 1 to 1 or a 1 to 0.7, so not the best. But you can see price actually moved up to a 1-to-1, so I could have done a 1-to-1 trade and been fine with that. So that's something I can do in the future. But you can see actually if I went any higher than that, I would have been stopped out here. But then I guess we just wanted to hit this fair value gap again and get some more orders, and then it pushed higher. Looks like we're just consolidating now, but just needed to fill some more orders to push higher. So I could have done a 1-to-1 um, take profit there, but I was just a little cautious for that today. And plus, uh, Pal spoke at 140, so I was expecting this consolidation. You can see here just consolidating till then. So that was one reason why I didn't want to be in a trade for too long. And on the S&P, I didn't take a trade on there just because I took one on NASDAQ and I didn't see anything, but we can go in here and see. Um, get that sweep, get a retest right here at 10 again. Go into the 1 minute. 10 o'clock's right here. Looking for a fair value gap. Don't see anything. We see one here. The price doesn't push into there. See one here. Price doesn't push into there again, though. Um, so by that time, I mean, there was nothing else. There was this one, but that's 1040 and never got a break of structure. Actually, we did get a break of structure here, but then price just went back down. You can see um, that was pretty late in the day. Again, Powell spoke, so we're just consolidating again. So I didn't want to be in a trade for too long because of that, because he tends to move the market by saying hello. So I wanted to be wary of that. So took this quick little trade today. Um, Probably should have done a 1-to-1, but my past take profits have always been highs or lows, so I stuck with that for today. Wasn't the best risk to reward, but overall not terrible. I mean, price never went down in here till after that. I would have been stopped out either way. So pretty overall happy with that. Just maybe put my take profits a little higher, um, and maybe don't trade on PAL news days. But I guess we got kind of lucky. But my daily bias was correct. You can see price pushed higher, and if we go all the way up to what it would have been, the top, it would have been a 1-to-2. So that'd be pretty good. But I didn't get that. Just got a 1 to 0.7. But we'll take it for today. And then you can see tomorrow, Thursday, we have job claims at 8:30. So I'll probably end up taking a trade today. Not that big of a deal. And it's early at 8:30, still have an hour till market opens before the news is an hour before market opens. So still probably end up taking a trade tomorrow. If I can see one. Um, you can see I was in it pretty quick, less than 3 minutes. Um, but overall win for the day. Daily bias was correct. Trading at all-time highs is challenging just because take profit areas. But yeah, this is day 11 of my day trading journey to profitability. Thanks for watching.